Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra car mount you can buy Amazon. Car mounts are the perfect way to make your life easier, especially if you are someone who is constantly on the go. Car mounts are a great way to keep your phone safe and secure while driving. They also allow you to use your hands for other things while driving, such as changing the radio station or adjusting the temperature in your car. There are many benefits of having a car mount for your Samsung Galaxy phone. They allow you to be more productive with your device and use it to its full potential. This is an excellent option for people who want to keep their eyes on the road but still need access to their smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a lot of features that make it a must-own phone. One of the features is the car mount, which allows you to use your phone hands-free while driving. The benefits of using this accessory are many, but some include: you can see your navigation screen without taking your eyes off the road, making for safer driving and less distracted driving. You can also use GPS navigation without having to take your eyes off the road or oncoming traffic. One of the best features about this phone is its wireless charging capability, which means you can charge your phone up anywhere without the need for wires. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra car mounts provide a number of benefits that you may not have thought about. These include an easy way to watch movies, play games, and even use your phone as a GPS device. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. It inspires me to make videos like this. Number 5. iOttie Easy One Touch. iOttie Easy One Touch 5 Dashboard and Windshield Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Desk Stand for Galaxy S22 Ultra is the perfect car mount. This product offers a convenient and easy-to-use design. iOttie Easy One Touch 5 Dashboard and Windshield Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Desk Stand is the most versatile mount on the market. This car mount can be used almost anywhere, at home or in the car. It features a built-in kickstand that allows you to place your phone securely on any desk or table, or even on a wall while charging. The aluminum alloy suction cup securely sticks to any smooth surface. Press the locking side arms with a quick one-handed motion and place your phone against the trigger button. The mount's arms will close automatically, holding your device securely while you drive. Mount or remove your phone in seconds with the patented Easy One Touch mechanism. You can easily and securely adjust a bottom foot by squeezing the spring button. Number 4. iOttie 4. The iOttie 4 car mount is the most convenient and secure way to take your device on the go. The car mount is designed to fit nearly all devices, from the latest smartphones and tablets to GPS devices, digital cameras, and MP3 players. The powerful suction cup holds cars, trucks, vans, bikes or any other round surface securely in place. The iOttie 4 Air Vent Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Galaxy S22 Ultra is a perfect solution for the user looking for a hands-free way to use their smartphone, and not just in the car. The iOttie 4 Air Vent Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Galaxy S22 Ultra allows you to rotate your phone in any direction, all while remaining safely and securely mounted. The iOttie Air Vent car mount is the perfect solution for people who need to use their phones while driving. It plugs right into your car's air vent with ease and securely holds any phone up to 6.5 inches in width or 3.5 pounds in weight. The patented Easy One Touch mechanism allows you to quickly mount and remove your phone with one hand. Number 3. Scosche MagicMount Pro. With the Scosche MagicMount Pro MagicMount Pro, you can create a hands-free mobile phone experience by mounting your smartphone to any surface without needing to remove your case. The device includes durable and flexible neodymium magnet technology, a 360-degree swivel head, and an easy-to-use T-bar design. Get on the road with the best smartphone car mount on the market with this powerful magnetic mount. Compatible with all devices, you can use this car phone holder in your vehicle, at home and on the go to ensure your device is always within reach. With the Scosche MagicMount Pro MagicMount Pro, you can transform your car into a personal theater. The mount fits virtually any and all mobile devices, so you can enjoy your phone while you drive with unmatched ease. It is universal and available in multiple sizes to fit your device. Safely and quickly secure any mobile device in your car to a dashboard or any firm and flat surface. With a heat-resistant automotive-grade base, this phone car mount will stick to any surface and will not fall off while driving. Number 2. iOttie Tap 2. Finally, a car mount that is compatible Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone. The iOttie Tap 2 magnetic dashboard car mount holder cradle for Galaxy S22 Ultra best car mount features a magnetic design, which positions your phone at the perfect viewing angle, and a 360-degree swivel to make it easier to access your devices on the road. Whether you're driving or on the go, iOttie Tap 2 provides a safe and comfortable place to rest your device in your car. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use with a 360-degree gooseneck arm that allows for flexibility when positioning for optimal viewing. Cradle for Galaxy S22 Ultra best car mount. Keep your phone at a convenient location within reach and hold it securely to avoid damage. Features 2 strong hold magnets powerful enough to handle any phone. Provides a choice of an inner and outer metal plate. Each plate uses an adhesive tape to attach to select mounting location and is easily removable. Number 1. Sell It. Sell It Universal Smartphone 360 Adjustable Cup Holder Mount Hands-free Automobile Cradle compatible for Galaxy S22 Ultra best car mount is a high-quality cup holder that is compatible with most smartphones and handheld devices. This magnetic phone holder has an easy-to-adjust design which is perfect for your car. It's made with an anti-slip rubber and hard plastic to provide a safe and stress-free grip to the phone. The Sell It Universal Smartphone 360 Adjustable Cup Holder Mount is hands-free, adjustable and compatible with most smartphones, so you can enjoy your time in the car without any distraction. It does not need a mount or case modifications. Simply attach it to your air vents and you are good to go. Simple installation, heavy-duty adjustable twist lock mechanism base to securely fit phone holder to your vehicle's cup holder. One-click phone release button makes it easy to place or remove device from cradle. Drive safe and hassle-free.